welcome back to my channel. Happy Fashion Friday. I am here with a Pamper morning routine because I've done regular morning routines, but I haven't really done my Pamper where I just take more time for myself and I use really nice luxury products. So I just thought this would be fun to do. I also just made a coffee in my cute little Chanel mug. But we just got back from Kelowna. I want to say like it's been a few days now, but it was so nice. I have some video footage here for you guys to see. It was just like our first family vacation that we've had this year. We usually go up to BC, which is where I'm from, Vancouver obviously, but Kelowna was beautiful. There were so many wineries. The girls loved going to the beach and like the water. So I have so many cute little photos and they had a blast. So yeah, but I'm really excited for today's video and just to be back on here because I feel like I've taken a little time off again, which sometimes I kind of need to roll back into things. But also don't forget to enter the giveaway because there is a giveaway in today's video throughout the video. But I hope you guys are having an awesome week so far. I've also been working on some new designs. That's usually when I go a little MIA. It's like all the back end work and just finalizing things. So that's what I've been doing. But there's 4 new projects that I've finalized, so I'm happy about that. But I hope you guys are having an awesome week so far. It's a long weekend here in Canada, so I'm excited to just like hang out with the girls and the family. But I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'm gonna roll right into this video.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond old. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Alright, so I'm all done my makeup. I have been really loving the Merit blushes right here. Been using it as like a lipstick too, which is really nice. And I've been really liking cream products just because it's the summertime. It's so easy to apply, it's so quick. But yeah, I'm gonna find an outfit right now. I'm gonna take you guys with me and continue to get ready and pamper myself. So wanted to show you guys, oh yeah, so my closet is somewhat clean today and I'm so happy about it. I thought the house would be a disaster when I got back. Well, okay, laundry room definitely is a disaster. I'm still working on that, but my closet is just really clean and organized. So, and I usually do a lot of my filming in here, as you guys know, so that was just definitely a must after our holiday. And I got some new dresses. Wanted to quickly show you guys. So these are from Shein. I got this in red originally, but then they had the pink one, so I had to get it. And it's so pretty. I love it. I have tried it on already, so I'll insert a photo. I think I'm gonna go in with the long dress today, but I do have this cute baby doll one too, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a full like get ready with me kind of video. So if you guys want to check that out, but I was wearing this dress. And then lastly, I haven't tried this one on yet, but I really love it. This one right here. And I've been, well, I've been obsessed with floral for a very long time, but these are so pretty. And yeah, I think I'll go with this today. I honestly feel like if I have an extra 20 minutes in the morning to get ready, it just like sets my day. I'm just in such a good mood. And you know those mornings where you're just like rushing around trying to get your kids out the door? That was me a little bit this morning. So then when I got here, I was like, okay, I am gonna have a good hour to get ready, make breakfast, and just, yeah, those are honestly the best mornings. And I definitely am a morning person over a night owl. I don't think I can stay up past 10 these days. But yeah, this is so cute. I showed you guys this on Instagram, but I fully decorated and just organized my office space, and I am obsessed. It just looks so good. Everything is just clean and tidy. I have like a few things still out, but for the most part, I'm like almost done. And we have like our little seating chairs outside too, which I really like. We have pink flowers out there. Maybe I can get a clip later for you. But yeah, everything is just really, really clean. I couldn't even see my floor before. That's how bad it was. I have this really pretty like pampas grass that I got from TEMU, I think. So yeah, super pretty. Some books. It's really sunny in here, by the way. I get lots and lots and lots of sun. I've got my day planner right here, which is Louis Vuitton. Love it. I finally have that in my office. I have my big planner right here. I've got like some cases. Yeah, that's basically everything, and lots of plants. And before I forget, giveaway in today's video is going to be for a pink or a beige travel case. You guys can choose the color. I mean, these are so amazing for travel or for your next trip. They fit everything as far as makeup, toiletries, skincare. So all you guys have to do, comment down below what your absolute favorite videos are. If it's like makeup videos, true crime videos, what do you guys usually watch on YouTube? That's all you have to do, and make sure you're subscribed. Charging my laptop. I go in between using my desktop and my laptop. My laptop I use because I work sometimes outside for like half the day. I like when it's really nice out, I definitely like to get a little bit of sun. But yeah, I've got my books right here. This is one of the books I was reading on the way to Kelowna. I've got my little lash book. Like, look how cute this is. I love this. And another little notebook under there. I have not worn this bag in so long. This one here, this has been my go-to favorite bag if we have like a dinner. It's just, hold on, I'm gonna show you the perfect crossbody bag. I love it so much. It also goes with this dress. It goes with everything actually, but I love the material on the inside too. It's so soft and it just fits everything you need, like a small wallet and my phone. But yeah, this has been my go-to. Love it. Of course, I can't remember the name of this, but it is Louis Vuitton, and I got it a few years ago. I forget the name though, but I will leave it down in the description for you guys. I am also going to link these because I get asked all the time in my videos where these are from. So I'll have the link down below. They are from Shein, and they're so cute. They really are just like a statement piece in my closet. I really, really love the way that they look. And then some of the other items that I have here, I always get asked to about my Louis Vuitton jewelry case. This you can get just on their website. I think this one is the Scott box, but I have the other one too. So this one here that holds a lot of jewelry. I wanted to show you guys some makeup that I got in from Too Faced when I was gone on our trip. Moon Crush, Summer Moon. These are so, so pretty. I haven't used them yet, but I'm excited. Look at the packaging. That's what it looks like. So they're highlighters, or out of the world highlighters. And then I think it came with 2 shades. I'll have to find the other one in a minute. The other product I've been really liking is the Anastasia cream bronzers. These are like amazing. I use this on my trip and I'm addicted. So nice in the summertime too, when you get like a little bit more dry. So yeah, I've been really liking that. And then the other, or yeah, this is the other one right here. So it's just a nice lighter highlight color, and that is in the color Shooting Star. I have the lip plump. It's downstairs actually in my office, so I'll show you guys that after. And then this is the palette. I haven't even opened it up yet. So Cosmetic Crush. Those are like all the shades it comes with. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. There's some wild colors in there too. I definitely am more of like a neutrals. So like this area I'm really liking. This is reminding me of like a mermaid. Very fun though. You definitely can get like smoky eyes with this palette. So pretty. So yeah, that is a little quick haul I want to show you. I also had a new phone stand come in and a camera case. So I'm going to show you that too. I also will link this down below, and as well as my new camera case that I have. It's pink, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. So this is from Amazon. I have never bought a pink one. Mine is just like silver, like the plain Apple one. So I wanted to get one for my office. Ooh, this is nice. This is so heavy too. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, and I have my little clock here too. And my super nice candle holder. I love this. This is like probably one of my favorite pieces in my office right now. This was from Urban Barn, and it was not cheap, but I love it, and I think it's such a statement piece in the office. Okay, let me just figure this out quick. There we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's so cute. Oh, seriously, I'm loving my office so much. I've never seen it this clean. It's so refreshing. But I had a few questions. I have been thinking of some new makeup products, but I wanted to know, you guys know I've done like a palette. For a next product, would you prefer lip products or like face products as far as like blush and bronzer? Let me know in the comments down below. Really curious. I think I know what I am doing, but it's always nice to have your opinions and your ideas. So I also love this little area. I just kind of did this the other day, and this was the very first thank you card I've ever had in my shop. Like, look at that, memories. And I just have a few books that I put out here. I have Tanya's makeup bag. From like every angle, everything just looks so clean. I wish I should have done a before and after, because you could not even see the floor. Sophia like went through all of my drawers of stock basically, and everything was on the floor. It was just crazy. And then I also had my scrapbooks, which are in here, and she took those out. There were stickers everywhere. I have my ottoman hiding back there too. I sometimes like sitting on it instead of this. I don't know why, but oh, and then also the pampas grass that I have right here. This is from Shein, so I will link it down below. I'll probably get some questions on it. I'm so bad sometimes at linking, so I'm trying to get better at doing that, so I make sure that you guys can easily get things that I talk about. Okay, so as I'm editing my video right now, the one you're watching, I forgot to show you guys my camera case since I was filming with it the whole time, but look how cute it is. My friend Tanya showed it on Instagram, and then I ended up getting it, and we've been like looking for a pink case for this white Sony camera. So I'll link the camera I have down below because I get lots of questions. It's a flip screen, but the case is so cute. I'm like obsessed with it. It's like a silicone one, so it's really easy to use. It does have a front cover, but I take it off to film. But I did want to show you guys that. The other thing I love doing, I love sitting on my little reading nook there. It's so comfortable. You guys have seen it a bunch, but I do get lots of like reels and vlogs that I typically sometimes feature it, but I just want to show you guys that. I got that at Home Sense actually, which was a steal. I am still waiting for my tree. I thought it would be here. Hi, Nancy. I thought it would be back when we got back from Kelowna, but it's not here yet. It's on back order until July, so sometime, you know, I will have a big tree right here. I think I got the 7-footer, but it's gonna look basically like that, but just fuller and more beautiful. So I'm really excited for that to come, and then I'm hoping to find a mirror. Ryan just brought these home. I think the girls are gonna freak out when they get home from daycare today. They're obsessed with donuts. We are trying to eat healthier though after we got back from Kelowna, just from like trips and stuff. Like I always feel so gross whenever I come back, so I just want to like eat clean,
drink lots of water, stay hydrated, but these do look good.
Okay, so that is today's video, you guys. I had a lot of fun just doing a little bit of like a Pamper morning routine with you. Also, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. I hope you guys having a fantastic week. If you have any video recommendations or requests, leave them down below. And of course, if you guys have not yet subscribed, subscribe now before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.
Are you, babe?